What happens when we draw with both hands at the same time? Today we're not trying to make art, we're creating space inside ourselves. I'm using smooth paper and felt tip markers. You can also use brush pens, anything that flows well. Relax, release, reset. This will look we're still working with neurographic lines. Lines that do not repeat, have no obvious pattern, are not straight or zigzag, and most of all, are unpredictable. Take a marker in each hand. We can draw with the right hand, your dominant hand. We can draw with the non-dominant hand. Let's use both at the same time. And still drawing the neurographic line. Left and right. Okay. Crossing path. No goal, no plan, just movement. Just watch so the line doesn't repeat itself. Pause when you like or keep going. Let the lines overlap. Let your eyes soften. You can stop the video anytime you want and do that on your own. Minute 6. Now that you've filled our page with those unpredictable lines, let's begin rounding. Wherever two or more lines intersect, soften the corners. You're creating a gentle flow, letting tension melt into connection. This takes time. Please round all the shapes. It's not about perfection, it's about integration. Pause the video and do at your own pace. Please add a few circles. In Neurographica, circles represent infinity, resources, calmness. Please remember that we also need to round where circles overlap, connect, cross each other, and the other lines. When you're ready, choose a few colors intuitively. You don't need to color everything. Think of it as giving certain parts of the drawing more energy, more voice. See where your attention lands. Adding field lines. And now, let's bring in something special. Field lines. Those of you familiar with Neurographica might remember this. Field lines are powerful, dynamic, and cross the entire drawing. They add a sense of support, direction, and structure. Like the wind that carries everything forward. 3, maybe 4, but not too many. Like and subscribe if you want more calming Neurographica practices. You've just practiced something more than art. You've touched into a rhythm of movement, intuition, and integration. If you're curious to go deeper, you're welcome to join me in one of my beginner-friendly classes. You'll learn how to use this method to manage emotions and reconnect with your creative self. Thank you for drawing with me. I'll see you in the next video. Ready to go deeper? Join our next basic user course. Link in the description. Leave a comment if you tried drawing with both hands.